Alright guys, in the last video I picked up this John Deere JX75 lawnmower. Did a walk around, did an oil change, and then I needed to order some parts. I got wheels now, and I got this drive cable because this end is snapped off here. So I got this on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description, but it is GX21634 and it's high quality, and that's because it's got focus and it's so professional. Okay, so got this cover off, so it's just held on by this screw here. So looks like we're gonna need a Torx bit here to get this cable out of this housing. So we'll get that off. Okay, this is T30. And there's a nut on the back side. Alright, so this is what it looks like. This just pulls out of there. And comparing the new one, that looks to be correct. Okay, so then on the deck here, there's a couple 13mm nuts that holds this cable on, and I just loosened up this top one. Pull that out. So then down here, the spring just hooks on, so I just pulled that out. Okay, so there's this new cable comes with these nuts already on it, so I'll put it approximately where the old one was. Okay, so this spring just hooks onto this lever right here on the bottom. And this just clips into here. Alright, so all that's left is we'll put a couple zip ties here for these cables, and we'll put the cover back on, and that is it. Alright, thanks for watching.